start looking for answers. So they don't know what hit them. It's now a 12-point lead for the defending champions Baycats, 29-17. 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining here in the opening game of the 19th of the last goal. And you see a triple attempt, no goal. Second rebound, still no goal. And the fairness, teka muna, sabi niya. Okay, and 6 minutes, approaching 6 minutes, as we see, the fairness. So right now, the fifth fairness showing his work. And it's another turnover by the Baycats. I mean, the Sharks. But I don't envy the Sharks who is assigned to guard Crystal Fairness today. As whoever will be defending Crystal Fairness will really have his work cut out for him. And to see this move. So this is, they have to put a body on Crystal Fairness, Mel.
Yes, siyempre, dapat he should be a marksman because, as you said, the MVP can shoot it from the outside and in the inside.
The Baycats, but after that, I'll be very happy that my teammates are making life easy for me.